Thinking about investing internationally from the UK, Wise makes it surprisingly simple. Now, first, open a Wise multi currency account online. It's quick, free, and fully regulated in the UK. Once you are in, add pounds to your account, then convert it into the currency you need, whether that's a USD or US stocks or Euro for European investments. Once you have it converted, you can send that money directly to your broker or investment platform overseas. Just copy their bank details, enter the amount, and Wise handles the rest fast and transparent and way cheaper than traditional banks. Now, even get local accounts, details in multiple currencies so you can receive dividends or returns with minimal fees. For UK based investors, looking to diversify globally, this is one of the most smoothest and most cost effective ways to move your money around. Now, it's got no like hidden charges, no surprises, just control and clarity. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and follow for more quick tips on smart investing from the UK.